So Mei-Lien and I just got back from hiking the Humacao Nature Preserve trail, which goes up to El Morrillo, which was a World War II embankment. They have a couple of machine gun pillboxes is what they refer to up there. Pretty cool. We went down into the pillboxes this time. We got some pictures and some video to show you here. It's very close to our house in Humacao. You could actually walk to it if you wanted to. It's our second time to do it. Mei-Lien is my favorite hiking partner in the entire world. I absolutely love her. She grabs a giant stick every time we go and carries it halfway before she gets tired and then throws the stick down. But anyways,
hiking stick.
Yeah, hiking stick. Today she picked up like a gigantic 8-foot wizard stick. But anyways, enjoy it. If you're out in the Humacao, Puerto Rico area, this is something that you probably want to see. This is how all morning should start. So we are inside of a machine gun World War II embankment on the coast of Humacao, Puerto Rico. Let's see how that is up there. And, obviously it's been a party place for kids for some time, but check out that view. At least if you were going to die here, you would die with a wonderful view of the ocean. And this is going up the ladder to the top of this thing to get out. So me and Mei-Lien are here again at the World War II embankment called El Morrillo in Humacao, Puerto Rico. We just got done inside of one of the machine gun turrets. There's a second machine gun turret. There's the sign down there. And so we're just enjoying our morning, looking out at the water at the top of the mountain.